Alexander the Great's army was one of the most powerful and disciplined military forces of ancient world. It was mainly built on the strong foundation created by his father Philip II of Macedon. Alexander the Great's army was known for its discipline, loyalty, and smart battle strategies. With this army, he defeated the Persian Empire and created one of the largest empires in history. But could the duo of Inigo Martinez and Pau Cubas stop them? If you think they are just a random centre back pair, then you are absolutely wrong. They were beasts. They will do everything to stop you. If you are fast, they will outrun you. If you are good physically, they will dominate you physically. There was no way you can go past them. But the Macedonian Empire was no joke too. They could stop armies more like twice or thrice their size, but Inigo Martinez and Pau Kubasi have something more dangerous: their offside trap. Your team's midfielders would drop some Iniesta, Messi level of pass, which your striker will proceed to score and he will celebrate. But then he sees these two guys laughing. He thinks they are mad or they are just hoping to lose, but he doesn't know he has fallen into their trap. He looks at the referee has raised the offside flag. He is in like too much of unbelievable shit. Like, how can he be offside here? But his toenail was just kind of offside. Remember, everyone in the El Clasico of 24-25 season was backing Real Madrid, saying Barca doesn't have any good defense. Real Madrid's attack is like too good for them. They have Mbappe, Vinicius, Bellingham, Rodrigo. But these two heard something more personal.
If Mbappe lands Madrid, Barcelona doesn't have to get ready. The world has to get ready.
Mbappe scored a quick goal. Even after that, he scored like doing that chip kind of thing in the celebration. He didn't know he was offside. And these two just made a joke out of him. They caught him offside 8 times. Literally 8 times. How can you imagine a professional footballer like Mbappe getting caught in an offside trap for 8 times? He was traumatized after the match. No matter how strong the Macedonian Empire was, these two won't let them go past at any cost. They will die, but they won't. By the way, do you know some legends say Mbappe is still offside after that match? He couldn't come out of that trap. Our empathy is with Mbappe. Pray for him daily so that he can come out of that trap